Hi guys, welcome to another day of crafting. So today we're going to be making firework out of paper. So today you're going to need a white or black paper. You're going to also need different colored papers, rainbow. You're going to need a pencil, scissors, and glue. So what you're going to do is you're going to take all of the paper you have, your different color paper, and you're going to draw 3 different circles. They have to vary in size. So you're going to need, so you can draw the circles yourselves, or you can find stuff around your house to make the circles. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw 3. Make sure one's small, one's medium, and one's large. Big one. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut out your 3 circles, and you're going to draw the 3 circles on one of each paper. So you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut your paper. Okay, so as you have all 3 of your circles cut out, you are going to take your scissors again and you're going to cut all 3 of them. You're just going to cut into the circle, so you're not going to cut all the way through. Be sure to not cut it all the way through. Just little tiny slits. Maybe less than half. So when you're done cutting all of your paper, you should have something like this. See how it's all random? It doesn't have to be perfect and they don't have to be even. And if you accidentally cut one off, that's fine. So you're just going to keep doing that all around, but be sure to not cut the middle. See, it's alright if it's one missing, that's alright. So when you have all of yours done, so when you have it done like this, you can see I already messed up. It's just one little, that's alright. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your circle, you're going to put just a little bit of glue in the middle where you didn't cut. So you should have something like that. And you're going to stick this onto your paper. And you can put it anywhere you want. So after you put it on your paper, you're going to keep repeating that process until you fill up your entire paper, or however you want. It doesn't matter. So when you have all of your papers cut, you can stick them wherever you want on your paper. It doesn't matter. Design it however you want to. You can be creative on this however you like. So, or you can even cut them out of shapes as well. Hearts, stars, diamonds, whatever your mind can think of. So once you guys are done cutting out all of your papers, and you're done gluing it, you should have something like this. See how it's all random and how it's all random? So you can do that. See how it's like all kind of like polka dots? But if you want to, you can also draw on your fireworks as well. But be sure to draw on them before you cut them, just to make it a little prettier.